In this video we're going to show you how to fit the EGR Blanking Kit on the 250 models. So the EGR kit comes with the EGR plate, the 2 bolts to fix the plate on, a large airbox bung and the small vacuum bung. So let's get on with it. So the tools you need for this job are a 10mm spanner, if you can find it, some long nose pliers, though they're not required but it does make it easier, a 4mm Allen key and a 10mm socket with ratchet, but you can use a spanner. Start by removing the side panel. There's a large pipe going from the EGR valve to the airbox. Pull it from the airbox, remove the clip and remove the cable tie holding it in place. Now put the large bung on the airbox where the pipe was. Then put the side panel back on. Now pull the pipe through from the other side. Now move the clip out of the way and pull the small pipe that goes from the EGR valve off the right side of the carburetor. And fit the small bung on the carburetor where the pipe was. Pull the pipe through, out the way. Now remove the 2 bolts securing the EGR valve with a 10mm socket or a spanner. Using a 10mm spanner, remove the 2 bolts securing the EGR pipe to the cylinder head. Now remove the EGR valve completely. It doesn't even make a good paperweight. Apply some copper grease on the threads of the new bolts. And fit the stainless plate with the new bolts on the cylinder head where you removed the metal EGR pipe. Then tighten the bolts up with a 4mm Allen key. Oh why, weight reduction. So that's how you fit our EGR Blanking Kit on the Euro 3 250 models. They're available on rbmcstore.com, follow the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon.
Har det hästsägen då?
Now put the side panel back on.
Now put the side panel back on.
You're not Terminator, you know. You don't have to say it like that. Now put the side panel back on now.